Hey guys, welcome back to this exciting stream on Thursday. I'm Boris, trader analyst for CoinW for XS Crypto. And today we're going to be decoding the markets in real time. We're doing some live trading and some analysis. So, what I got here, just starting off really quick, is actually it's a really cool, really cool tool you can use called AgriTrade on. If you just go to aggr.trade on your web browser, this tool actually aggregates all the big orders for Bitcoin, whether it's like long or short, to the upside, to the downside, and see here on the right actually lists all of the orders that are coming into the market from all the top exchanges. So really, really cool stuff. And I like watching this because you can actually watch the order flow in real time on the 5-second chart, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Anyhow, I see now we just had a big red candle, and then on the right you can see we have some huge sell orders coming into the market. So I think that is pretty awesome. So actually, what I want to get into, and this is important for this session, is the Bitcoin dominance matrix. I mean, not matrix, metric. So let me share this tab with you guys. So so right now we are looking at Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame. And what we can see here is that actually Bitcoin dominance is breaking out here. So what this chart implies is that more capital is there's more crypto capital located in Bitcoin rather than in the altcoins, right? So this means that, for example, it says that the market cap BTC dominance is at 64.9%, which means that basically that means that 65% of all capital across crypto is allocated in Bitcoin right now, and only about 35% is in the altcoin space. So I hope that makes sense. So that's a very big metric, because actually, if we zoom out, we haven't been at these levels in many years. The last time we were at these levels was back in January of 2021. So it's been over 4 years since we've seen this level of Bitcoin dominance. So really what this means is that until Bitcoin dominance starts to go down again, I just don't see, I don't know, it's hard. It would be hard pressed to find a reason for Bitcoin, or altcoins rather, to go into a bull market, or for the altcoins to have an alt season. Sorry. Let's actually take a look. Sorry, I don't know why I'm coughing. So if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame right now, what we can see is, we're still hovering above the highs here. So on Bitcoin, I would remain bullish as long as we're above 100K. I think for now, this looks okay. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we are still respecting this triangle pattern or this pennant that I drew about a week ago, about a week ago, or maybe a week and a half ago. So we're respecting this descending trend line and this ascending trend line as well. And there is like a kind of like a pivot zone here, right between, basically right between 105,000 and 107,000. So yeah, I'm watching this pivot zone. I really think we need to get above 106 to 107,000 before we can talk about retesting this ascending trend line. Descending this upper trend line in this triangle. We are really, because right now we're hovering right below this trend line, or not below it, but right on top of it. So I'd like to see us to get above this pivot zone, above, let's call it 107 especially, and we'll probably retest like 109, 110. And we'll see if we can retest the 111K lower high, followed by 112K all-time high. Now let's see what else we got going on here. See if there's any good swing trades for us to capture. I do have to. I kind of actually have a personal emergency to attend to in a bit, so I may not be able to stay here for that long. See, what I want to point out is Bitcoin Cash. And actually, let's go back to this aggregate chart. Oh, look at this. This is what I wanted to point out this Bitcoin aggregate chart, because look what's happening. We're getting a huge jump right now. Look at all these sell orders coming to the market. You can see this on the chart on back of me in this trading room. So pretty crazy stuff happening here. Really. We got some like long liquidations coming in as well right now. So it's pretty crazy. Wow, there's a $1 million sell. Oh, more $1 million sell orders coming to the market now, and that is just pretty insane, ain't it? Now some big buy orders coming in. So it's pretty cool to witness as well. Let's see, Bitcoin Cash looks good. Yeah, just looking at just going on the charts right now. Just quickly seeing if there's anything on the radar. Actually, GTO looks quite good here. It's just a bit overextended, so probably not going to chase this, but it does look good. But guys, we didn't cover a whole lot. I just want to cover Ethereum really quick, because I do actually have to go. Let's cover Ethereum really quickly and remove some of these lines that I have. Basically, Ethereum is very simple. So we can draw a horizontal line here, 2,475 or so. To the upside, and then to the upside, to the downside, and then to the upside, horizontal resistance at 2,700. So we really need to break either one of these two levels. So 2,700 to have more of an exact number to the upside, and then 2,470. Yeah, 2,470 to the downside. So we need to break one of these two ranges. Right now, we're just kind of like in the middle, just chopping around. So until one of these ranges break, I'd just be playing the ranges, right? Just short resistance, long support, and just keep doing that until we get a massive break. I do think probability favors the upside. So if we do break above 2,700, I do think we'll probably go up to 2,800, 2,900, probably ultimately 3,000. So I will I was sharing the incorrect chart. I'm looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum to the downside, 2,470 critical support, and then 2,670 critical horizontal resistance. I'd be just playing the ranges for now. And once we get a break of one of these two levels, like for example, if we break above 2,700, we're probably going to 2,900 to probably 3,000. And then if we break below 2,460, we are probably going to, I don't know, probably going back to like 2,000. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Back to 2,000 psychological. So that's the story for Ethereum. And sorry, I wasn't sharing the correct tab earlier. Yeah, I'll end it off here, and I'll see you guys in the next stream.